welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing awesome today. I'm going to be creating this autumnal makeup look using Nudestix makeup. So I've got a variety of different makeup to use. So they're blushes, they're bronzers, they're Nude concealer and foundation, and I also have a Nudestix kind of festival kit, which has got a variety of different things in there as well, so all to create this very autumnal nude natural makeup look. So before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you want to find out how I created this look, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go in with my Nudestix Concealer. So this is the Nude Concealer, and I've got the shade Nude 5.5, but I think I need the 4.5 because my foundation is shade 5. So I think this is actually darker than what a normal concealer should be, but we're going to go with it. I'm just going to use this just to cover up any blemishes before I put on my foundation. It's a really nice shade, it goes on really nicely. Just blend that in. It's a really good concealer if you just want to wear this on its own. Well, this shade anyway for me. Now I'm just going to go in with my Nudestix Tinted Cover Foundation, and I've got the shade Nude 5. Love this tinted foundation because it's really sheer. It's very much like a tinted moisturiser. It lets your skin breathe, and it's just super dewy, so it's great for this time of the year because normally most people's skin gets dry around the winter time, autumn winter time, so it's perfect to kind of add a bit more moisture into your skin. The window cleaner's here and Echo's going nuts, so if this video turns into a bit of a voiceover, you know why, because she's going crazy, which is always the way. Every time I try to film she goes bloody nuts at the moment. The postman, the window cleaner, the neighbours, just everyone, and that's it. It's just so lovely. I now have the Nudestix collection, so this is the Nude Beach Festival kit, but what I found with this is that it's really autumnal. Like a lot of the shades that you can really wear like throughout the year, but it's really autumnal with like the deep berry, the rose goldy shades. So I'm just going to use these. There's quite a lot in here, you can see. So there's a mixture between lip and cheek and eyes, so I'm going to go with eyes first. I'm actually going to get a brush ready so I can kind of blend it if I need to. First going to go in with Haven, and this is actually a lip and cheek, but I actually like to use this to base my eye. This is what it looks like. Did you hear her? So it's really subtle. I'm just going to get the brush and just kind of like blend it in a little bit so it's not too dewy. Now what I'm going to do is take the shade Marooned, and this is a magnetic matte eye colour, and this is the shade of it. I actually have them all here, so it's this really deep colour here. I'm actually going to take my brush for this and just do that over the top. Get some on the brush, and I'm just going to blend that into the eye instead of putting it on straight, because it's quite a hot, like deep colour, that it goes on too heavy when you just put it on your eye on its own, unless that's the look you want. It's not the look I want today. I do love Nudestix eyeshadows. I think they're really simple to use for like every day. Working with cream eyeshadows isn't always easy, but they are lovely. You see what I mean when I say autumnal? And then what I'm going to go in with is this Rustic Grotto shade, which is like a rosy goldy bronzy colour. And I'm actually going to use the same brush, and I'm going to just put this all over the lid as well, just to kind of add a bit of like glitter to the lid. This just adds a bit of shimmer, but it doesn't actually add any colour really, because it's a very similar shade, but it just adds a bit of shimmer. Like so. Now what I'm going to go in with is my Nude's Matte Sun Kiss bronzer, and this is in the shade Sun Kissed. It's lovely. I'm just going to take my blusher brush. I'm just going to pop that in my cheek area. Contouring my jawline as well a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with my Poppy Girl Nude is Bloom blusher, just to add a bit of more rosiness to like my cheeks a little bit. Just going in with the same brush. Now I'm just going to take a small brush, and I'm going to go in with that marooned, and I'm just going to smoke out my under eye a little bit. I'm just taking a teeny bit, don't need too much. Just follow the lower lash. I'm just going to add this, it's called Prayer. And it's a eye colour, and I'm just going to put that in my inner corners a little bit, just to kind of shimmer that out. I don't have a Nudestix highlighter, so I'm just going to go in my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Star highlighter. Mascara. I'm going to go in with my FM Makeup 3-Step Mascara. And lips, I'm actually going to go in with, firstly I'm going to line my lips with my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick. Then I'm going to go in with the Nudestix Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in the shade Kiss. I'm just going to dab this on because it's quite pink. And this is the final makeup look. It's a very natural autumnal makeup look using the Nudestix makeup collection. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye!